Hi and welcome back. My name is Pranita Sharma, and in this video we are going to talk about ICSE question paper pattern. So let's get started. The question paper pattern is for computer applications. Okay. So the basic information regarding the question paper is it has two sections. Section A, where you have to attempt all the questions, and section B, where you have to attempt any 4 questions out of 6 questions. And the time is 2 hours, that is 120 minutes, and the marks is 100 marks. Unlike other subjects, you have 80 marks paper. In computer application, you have to write examination for 100 marks, and the time is same, 2 hours. So let's come to section A, 40 marks, which is all compulsory. And in this question, section A, the questions which you need to prepare is theory portions, definitions, differences, output based, loops, and logical questions. So what you have to prepare is basically the theoretical part of the syllabus. You need to prepare for section A, that is 40 marks. Now coming to section B, it is 60 marks, and out of 4 questions you have to attempt 6 questions, which means that one question carries 15 marks. So 15 into 4 equals to 60 marks. And basically which type of programs they give you is one is description based program, that is confirmed that there will be one question which is description based question. There will be one question from the array. It may be a sorting or a searching algorithm, but there will be one question from the array. And the third question basically comes from menu driven, that is switch cases, then string based program, and your logical programs like Armstrong number, palindrome number, tech number. So this kind of questions are generally found in section B. Patterns are also there, some other programs. So let us understand the marks distribution, how the marks is divided in section B, the programs. So one program, it carries 15 marks. So if one program carries 15 marks, then the program code and the logic which you are writing, it carries 8 marks. The comments, very important in a program, generally used for understanding purpose. The comments, they carry 2 marks, and the output is output according to the program code what you have written, it carries 3 marks. So output is also very essential, and if it does not flows with the program code or the logic, you will get no marks over there. So, and the variable description table, the variable description table is a table where you write all the informations regarding the variables which you have used in the program. So this table carries 2 marks, in total of now 15 marks. Let's come to understand how to manage the time. Since I said to you that 80 marks, generally other subjects they carry 80 marks for 2 hours paper, but in computer application 100 marks paper they carry 2 hours, so 120 minutes. Section A should not exceed, or like you should not take more than 30 to 40 minutes to solve section A, and section B the remaining 80 minutes. Now it means that 20 minutes for each program. So you have to write in 20 minutes, you have to write the program code, the logic, the comments, the output, and also the variable description table. So you have to use your time very efficiently. Now I'll teach you how to prepare for ICSE. First point is theory needs to be studied from the book. Whatever theory portion, though it is very less, needs to be studied from the book. Now which all topics are there in the theory portions, like your class, object, data types, object oriented principles, functions, operators, loops, arrays, strings, etc. So this needs to be studied from the book. You will also get online content, but preferable is your book. Coming to the other part, that is output and logical questions, this can be solved on the basis of understanding of the topic. So how good you have started from the book or you have practiced, according to that you can solve the output questions or the logical questions very easily. And the programs, they must be practiced. The more you practice, the better you become in writing programs, and very efficient along with fast writing. So this is it. Okay, so you have to solve ICSE previous year question papers too to prepare for the examination, very essential point right before the examination. And many a times the questions are repeated, and this gives you a benefit for appearing for both. So thank you. And if you like this video, if you think this video was helpful, you kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you, and we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.